Hi, this is Sarah Cornish with M4H Photography. I'm going to be doing a very brief overview on how to use clip-in masks and how to use the new blog templates. The web share templates are a set of 12 completely free templates for you to use at your will. You can use them on your blog, on your fan page, for social media sharing. This particular one has a before and after on it because I know that sometimes people that use my Photoshop actions or presets like to show off their beautiful pictures of my fan page, which I love, by the way. So this was a means of me being able to kind of provide a tool or something if you wanted to kind of compare them side by side. These are very, very simple to use. So this is what it's going to look like when it's done just about. And this is what it looks like now. I have my before and my after already open. All that we're going to do is you'll notice on the right hand side into your layers box, when you click on these it'll light up the layers that kind of correspond. The rectangles are going to be where your photo masks go. The tab graphics are actually these little tabs right here with the words written on them, and the before and after is basically you can say anything you want. So you can actually double click and edit the text. You can use your own fonts. You can change the colors, whatever you want to do. So the thing is, if I have a font in here and you don't have that font in your computer, you might get a little error that pops up. You can totally disregard that. If you want to find a font, that you see, you just basically Google it, because I usually use free fonts or fonts that kind of came with my system. Or you can, of course, be creative and put any font you want in. So anyway, to get started, you're just going to click on the mask that you want to use. We're going to start up top, the before, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to my before picture, and with my pointer selected, I'm just going to click and drag right into this template. You'll notice that it covers a good part of your template here. You obviously don't want this to look like this. So what we're going to do is I'm going up top and I'm going to hit layer and create clipping mask right here. And now you notice your photo is pretty much inside of that layer, which is perfect. Except you'll notice your crop is a little off. What I do is I'll hold shift and drag my image. And the reason I hold shift is as I'm readjusting my image, this just makes it so that my photograph kind of keeps the same proportions and doesn't get that weird squished look. And then I just kind of nudge it in. Sometimes the crop won't match up perfectly. If that's the case, you can either crop your image a little differently, or you can actually, after you are finished dragging around, you can make the frame larger. We don't want that. Here we go. Click on the layer where your clipping mask is and make the frame larger or smaller, and that will kind of affect that. That's just something to bear in mind though. And then of course to do the bottom we would repeat the same process. You click on the layer, you navigate to your after image or whatever image you want in that template, and then you go up top to layer and create clipping mask. Of course you can use the shortcut as well. You'll notice here there's a shortcut provided. If you're using a PC, obviously your shortcut will be a little bit different. And then you just want to constrain your proportions by holding shift, or another quick way is to hit this little paper clip up top, and that will kind of keep it so that as you drag it, it remains in the same proportions as well. And that's pretty much it. Very, very simple, very quick. Obviously, the different templates will have different shapes and different sizes and different layouts. Some have square crops, and you'll want to kind of figure out what photos look best with that. But that's all there is to it. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you enjoy the free templates. And I hope that you have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Bye.